Dear students of class 4, good morning. Today we are going to learn lesson 5, two types of industries. Okay. So, there are two types of industries. You look at your book, you can see it is there. Number 1, primary industry. Number 2, manufacturing industries. So, let us discuss about our mineral industries. Our India got freedom in the year 1947. Our country is not so advanced compared to countries like Germany, Japan, Poland, China, USA, Russia, etc. Okay. India is now an important supplier of machines, engineering, goods, railway, coaches, etc. This is a proof of our fast progress in the field of industry. Look at the picture, page 35. You can learn more by seeing the picture. Okay. Now number 2, iron and steel industry. We are living in an age of machines. So iron and steel industry is very important these days, isn't it? So India has a number of steel plants. They are in Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Rourkela, Durapur, Burnpur, Bokaro, Bhadravali, Hospet, Salem, Visakhapatnam. These are the places. Those are important for steel industry. In this page, in the same page number, you can see the pictures of steel industry also. So let me explain you little bit about number 3, that is about heavy machines or tool industries. This is another important industry of India. Today, before 1947, we were independent on 1947 we are dependent on other countries, okay, for our machines. But now we make our own machines in public and private sectors. Our India has become very advanced now. It is not like before. Like before means 1947. That time our India was not was depending on other countries. But after independence, our India is not depending on other countries for tools and heavy machines. Okay. So number 4, let's discuss little bit about transport and industry. India has the largest network of railway in Asia. Our railway engines, coaches and wagons are made in our own country. We also export these items in like Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Parambar, Jamshedpur, Bhopal are some of the main places where these items are manufactured. Our country has lots of models of different vehicles like cars, aeroplanes, etc. You understood, no? Means these are in India nowadays. It has become very India has become very advanced in transport industry also. So these are the some main places where it is manufactured, all these types of vehicles. Next comes the fertilizer industry. It is another very important industry of our country. We have cheap fertilizer factories at Sindri, Nangal, Trombay, Namrup, Kanpur, etc. etc. Fertilizer, you know, no, it is not very far from our place. There is a small place called Namrup. It is very much famous for what you say industry like fertilizer. Okay. The next comes about electrical goods industry. Electrical goods like lamps, bulbs, tubes, motors and transformer, these things are made at Delhi, Kolkata, Bhopal, and Bhopal, Haridwar, etc. Electronic materials are made at Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, etc. etc. These are the important places where the electrical goods are industry are available. It is very famous places. So we should remember the names of the places also. Okay. So let's learn little about petroleum industry. This is one of the leading industries these days. We have at refineries at Digboy, then Mumbai, Trombay, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. These are the important places where the petroleum industry is situated. So this now we have these refineries in Digboy also. You have heard, maybe it is not far from our place. Mumbai is not in our place, it is far from Assam. Trombay, Visakhapatnam, you should learn the names of the places. Now let's learn about large scale industry. Large scale industry, okay? It is very expensive to build and start a large scale industry. Modern methods can be more easily used in the large scale industries. So look at your book. I will read for you the places, important places for the large scale industry. They are like steel plants in Visakhapatnam, Bokaro, Rourkela, Jamshedpur and Durgapur. Next, number 2, textile mills in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Kanpur, Kolkata. Number 3, heavy electrical goods in Bhopal, Ranchi. Number 4, automobile factories in Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai. Number 5, shipbuilding in Visakhapatnam, Kochi and Mumbai. Number 6, aircraft manufacturing in Bangalore and Kanpur. Number 7, oil refineries in Assam, Mathura, Gujarat, Bihar. Okay, these are the important places where large scale industry is very much famous. So, India is now regarded as a leader in making computer software. That is in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad are a big software producing centers. So, these are the important places where our computer software are very much is produced. So, we will have to learn all about this what is it? 2 types of industries like primary. One we got what? That was the primary industries and the manufacturing industries. And after that, we have learned more than that. That is called large scale industry. We have learned about large scale industry, and what that is steel plants, textile mills, heavy electricals, automobile factories, shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturing, oil refineries, and where it is situated, which places are important is given in your book, page number I think page number 38. So you will have to learn properly all about the important places of large scale industry. So this was all about 2 types of industries, and my class is over for today. So study well. Wish you all the best. Bye. Thank you.